What's going on, YouTube? This is another episode of What You Riding. And what's your name? Chris. Pleasure to meet you, man. Hey, you gotta tell me about this bike, man. Wait, this is a Z1000.
Z9.
Oh, Z9. Oh, I said corrected. And you got the Kawasaki River Mark. That's what I'm talking about. So you did this, like,
Individual. Each of those are laid separate.
wow, that is fantastic. I'm loving the spoiler on there. You got the GoPro mount. Dude, this is fantastic. Like, this is very artsy, but very crafty, man. I'm loving it. You got the two-tone, like Two-Face. So what inspired you to go this route?
Something different.
So, yeah, very, very different. You know, got SC Project, MotoGP exhaust. All right. Now, how long you had this bike?
Like 3-4 years now. 3 years.
Oh, okay. You committed. Nice. Good stuff. Now, how you liking the bar end mirrors? Because I got them on mine, but
I like them better because it's just, you know, the ugly ass ones that they come with. Hell no.
yeah, I got you. Now, would you indulge me by doing, like, you know, a little startup and a quick round, if you don't mind? Man, always doing it for the tube. It looks awesome, man. I'm in the cluster. All right. Nice. All right. Thank you very much, man. Looks good, man. All right. Thank you so much for doing the video for me. Make sure you rate, comment, and subscribe. Reverend to Riches out here, still doing the thing. Man, getting nothing but content this weekend. Good stuff. All right. We'll see you in the next one. Oh, he got tech spec too? Hey, good choice. Good choice. All right. Make sure you rate, comment, and subscribe, folks. Had to do the second piece of What You're Riding. Loving the vest, the takeover. That was looking good, man. Yeah, I remember the Voodoos when I had dual too. Alright, try that too. Man, my ears are ringing. I already have tinnitus from being overseas and stuff, so, man. All right, hey, man, hopefully we could get the 14 and the busa out there. You know, they love to have Godzilla and King Kong going at it, but it's good stuff, man. But stay safe, as always, you know what I'm saying? All right, thank you for doing this video for me, bro.
Absolutely.
All right, we'll see you on the next one.
Ha 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 ha!